how you will create your post on your social media planner. So here, as I mentioned, you can connect your social media on different platform on Facebook, Instagram, Google Business, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Thread, or Blue Sky. So if you have those, you can connect everything and then you can have one single post for all. Okay, so that's powerful, right? So by doing that, like we can create a new post and create a new post. So we can also upload it from CSV. So now I'm gonna create a new post and I'm gonna choose what page do I need to post to. So I'm gonna choose this one, and you're gonna write your content. You can add an images, a file, a video, hashtag, or even a custom value link, and um location. Okay, so that's really powerful. So if you are promoting something, then that would be great. um, so now I'm gonna put my content, which is be positive, and then I can insert an image. So if you don't have the image yet, you can upload it here. You can search it on your computer, and in this scenario, I have it here. So I'm gonna choose that one and insert file, and so we can actually post it now. So as you see on Facebook, this is my page. Okay, this is the page, and then uh it's because like this is like a dummy page, right? So it's March 6, 2024, the last posting, and here we can see what will be the changes. So I'm gonna post it now, or I can choose to post it later, but I want it to be immediate. So post now, and it will be post. So you can see here, um, it is post composer. So let's go back to Facebook and let's refresh. So just wait for a few seconds and it will be reflected on your page. And now uh, you can see that, oh, uh, it's already post. So you can actually have someone to help you on creation of social posts for your reels, for your images, and then give them access for uh, social media marketing, and help you for your business to grow. Okay, so that's how we're going to have our post. And that's all for today. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that it will give value for your business, and let's continue to grow.